enough of collisions in the field, but somebody should have called mine. I think both didn't and both bailed out. That could have potentially been stopped, but these collisions are terrible. Well planned, like Shriram's life insurance plans.
Yeah, the width was on offer from Silambarasan. Just had to get it up and over.
Over cover. Last ball of the innings takes them to over 205. Takes Ashwant to 28 with a strike rate of 200. And that'll be a bit of a boost going back into the dugout for this fun.
Very well controlled. Sai Kishore like a spitting cobra. Only as much venom required as per the prey. 25 for 1. Pradosh Ranjan Paul gets one in the slot and dismisses it from his presence.
Well, that's the problem when you're not too quick. You bowl a slot ball.
Pounced upon by Tushar Raheja. Magnificent stroke. Trust him to smack a four like that, just like Shriram Chits.
Yeah, width given and taken.
Spectator, because this has been smacked all the way. Also brings up a 50. Superb innings from last season's player of the tournament. 50 this year for Tushar Raheja of just 23 balls.
Again, erring in line. Short fine. Will have precious little to do as Pradosh Ranjan Paul joins in the act. A nice looking boundary. So well planned. Like 14 of that over. 150 for 2 at the end of 14.
Just over the boundary line. Plenty of height. Not quite the distance that he might have wanted. Still, a magnificent 6 over mid-wicket.
He's into his 90s. Tushar Raheja had all the time in the world to dispatch.
Brilliant. And that will level scores.
He is a traditional player, but he also shows that he can improvise. And he's improvised beautifully.
Start to the Shriram capital. Fantastic four. Beautifully driven like Shriram's instant two-wheeler loads.
Take that. He waited on it. It was tossed up.
Because with that single, of course, the 50 up, but in the 8th over, taking a bit of time. Nellai, remember, they are a very
nonchalantly ramped it over, and when a batter is timing it this well, that's about the best a man can get. 10 overs gone, 75 for 3.
Well enough.
Are you happy with the way this innings is progressing for the double Ds? 100 comes up. It's got a mixture of ones converted into twos. 6 the moment it left the bat. Hani Saini speaking only one language. And the crowds.
There's a flicker of an edge, which Nishad at first glance didn't look to be, but yeah, terrific decision then.
Yes, it's a very good decision, and
Good technique, because you might have been tempted to actually move under the ball, but he thought might hit the boundary sponge, and he kept sort of a sideways stance.
this time it's a wide. So that wide also brings up Nellai Royal Kings 50. It's going to be Kaushik Gandhi who will signal that. Remember Kaushik Gandhi? He was a player.
Him to snare that would have been quite a blinder.
A good effort at cover, standing close in. Never easy.
It for the wide or the catch. And the umpires will only check what you're asking for and not both.
Where there should have only been one run.
That's just nerves, desperation even.